Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to create a 2D icon and then easily turn it into a 3D icon. This way, you'll be able to create simple original icons yourself and if needed, transform them into 3D icons to enhance the quality of your designs. But before we get into the video, I want to thank each and every viewer who supports us through Patreon and YouTube memberships. This channel stays alive thanks to your support. If you'd like to support us as well, you can check out our Patreon page through the link in the description and subscribe to one of the monthly packages. Alternatively, you can join as a YouTube member. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.